hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to show you how we can draw a shape such as a circle or a line or arrow in 3D in Unity. Okay. First of all, we should have this plugin which has been released 5 years ago by Miguel 12345. Unity shapes. I will share the link in the description of this video. You just need to download the whole project and you can import your project, this project into your Unity, or just drag and drop this shapes folder into your project folder. After that, I have added this plugin into my project and it has sample scenes. Okay, as you can see, there is nothing, just some empty objects which have these components: circle debug renderer, or this guy line debug renderer, or it's polygon renderer. It depends on our decision. And now I wanna play the scene. Look at this. These shapes drawn in 3D and we can use them, but any use cases. Okay, for example, this guy, circle 1, yes, this guy, we can change some parameters, for example, such as color, the main color. And this, if we want to have a border, we said, okay, let's draw a border. If we don't want, just check off the border. If we want, we can change the color of border as well. And we can change the width of the border or radius of the whole object. And in here, we can say, let's make it to sector, and we can change the initial angle and the arc angle, arc length of this sector. These parameters are for the circle, but most interesting part is lines. For example, for this guy, for this line, in fact, this arrow, this dash line, and this simple line, they are just the simple lines. But the difference is the shapes of them. But first of all, so let's take a look at the lines in here. Look at this. The line has start point and end point. If we change the end point in runtime, it changed the shapes automatically. Look at this. It is really helpful. If I do something like this, it will be helpful for us if we want to show something in our game which is moving. And in here we can say, okay, what is the color of the line? For example, it is gonna be green, and the width of it, look at this. The arrow is the different part, the nose of arrow. And if we want to have border, okay, let's do something, but I don't want to have border. Or if you want to have dash, look at this. We can even change these lines. And for example, it is for showing arrow in end of the line, but we can say the first of the line or both. And for example, if I change the line here, then start point, it will be moving. And here we can change the options of arrow. Look at this. Excellent. This is really helpful for our game design whenever we want to use these shapes, these kinds of shapes. But we have to use them in runtime. We have to change them in runtime. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.